Welcome to the Technical SEO Audit Playbook. This video is about turning raw diagnostic data into implementation retainers, activating the retainer through a systematic approach. The audit is the diagnosis, but presenting a client with too many issues leads to decision paralysis. The retainer, which is a prioritized 90-day fix plan, is the treatment. It gives clients a structured path to revenue and helps win budgets. Common audit failures include using technical jargon, presenting many items with equal urgency, and sending a long PDF without context. The Playbook approach focuses on business impact, organizing findings into 3 priority tiers, translating errors into revenue impact, and using live video walkthroughs leading directly to a retainer pitch. Building a repeatable framework is key. This includes a team wiki with documented SOPs, saved profiles for tool configurations, sheet checklists for categorization, and slide templates with structured placeholders to ensure consistency. This leads to a productized service. We define audit productization tiers with clear boundaries. These range from a mini audit for small businesses to the standard audit for medium businesses and the enterprise audit for large e-commerce sites, each with defined investments and deliverables. Pillars 1 and 2 focus on crawl config and the indexation gap. A key number is the exclusion gap, which shows clients what Google is ignoring. A configuration warning is given. Always run dual crawls and enable JS rendering. Pillars 3 and 4 involve the scale of impact model, focusing on page and schema. The template multiplier highlights how one fix in a CMS template can correct hundreds of pages instantly, creating urgency. Custom extraction is used to pull malformed JSON LD that causes schema to fail. Pillar 5 covers performance and core web vitals. The trap is relying on synthetic lab data. The reality is that field data, like mobile core web vitals, is the actual ranking signal. Always lead with mobile field data and categorize fixes into front-end versus infrastructure. Pillars 6 and 7 cover link equity and mobile parity. The authority flow plumbing diagram shows how to reclaim broken inbound links. The mobile parity check warns that content invisible on mobile devices does not exist to Google, creating an indexing parity problem. When writing the executive summary, translate technical reality into business revenue. Jargon destroys client comprehension. Instead of listing technical issues, state the business impact, such as Google ignoring a percentage of the product catalog. A perfect finding includes 4 elements: the issue, the impact in rankings or traffic, the exact fix for the developer, and the effort estimate. Include annotated evidence, such as a screenshot pointing to the specific error, to prevent objections. Triage uses a 3-tier prioritization model. Tier 1 is critical, addressing ranking drops or indexation failures within 14 days. Tier 2 is high priority, for performance-limiting issues within 30 days. Tier 3 is ongoing, for incremental improvements. Never present findings as equally urgent. Triage builds the retainer. The 90-day implementation roadmap organizes fixes by month. Month 1 is critical, Month 2 is high priority, and Month 3 is ongoing. This transforms the audit from a historical document of problems into a forward-looking action plan for collaboration. The presentation is the pitch. The golden rule is to never send a PDF without a live walkthrough. Transition to the retainer pitch while engagement is high. Quantify the outcome by translating fixes into a number of additional products eligible to rank. The ultimate conversion engine moves from raw findings to a prioritized roadmap, a live walkthrough, and finally, an ongoing retainer. Clients buy the few things that move the needle fastest, along with a structured plan for the rest.